technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Good afternoon and welcome. You're watching Times Now. My name is Amitav Wadhwa. Big development that has now happened on part of Rahul Gandhi's vote chori allegations that he continues to maintain that he has substantial proof and evidence against the CEC himself. The Samvidhan savior seems to be now clearly exposed. On being asked if he will approach the courts or any higher agency, here is the Lok Sabha MP and the Congress MP, rather Rahul Gandhi, saying that his work is to participate in a democratic system, but not to protect the democratic system. That is the work of the institutions in India, he says, as far as listening to this remark that is believed to be when he continues to insinuate that there are voter chori allegations that he believes that the CEC is behind defending the murderers of democracy.
आपने कहा कि आपके पास पुख्ता सबूत है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट सबूत है, तो क्या अगर पीसीआई अभी जवाब नहीं देती है तो कोर्ट का रुख करेंगे, ये ऑप्शन है आपके पास? देखिए, मैंने कहा कि मेरा काम एज ऑपोजिशन लीडर नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में मेरा काम ऑपोजिशन का रोल है, सरकार पे प्रेशर डालने का रोल है। मेरा काम हिंदुस्तान के लोकतंत्र को बचाने का नहीं है।
So Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, then how do we understand Rahul Gandhi's statement when he says कि मेरा काम opposition का काम है, pressure बनाने का काम है, but not to protect when it comes to the institutions. So these back-to-back press briefings that he has been doing, then what is the message? What is, when it comes to the logical conclusion that he wishes that should be the result of these briefings that he seems to be doing? What happens next then?
Well, the exact statement which is being made by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is that his role is to participate in this democratic process, not to protect this, because he stated that we have our institutions whose role, whose responsibility is to safeguard the democracy of this country, is to safeguard the constitution of India, and that is the only reason why he has stated that it is basically the responsibility of the election commission to conduct free and fair elections. But now he has made direct allegations upon the CEC today, as he had stated in his press conference, that it is the involvement of CEC in this entire process because of which this vote chori is happening in this country. He stated that Gyanesh Kumar is basically trying to protect the murderers of the democracy. This is the exact statement which is being used by Rahul Gandhi because he had mentioned about one particular constituency in the state of Karnataka, saying that more than 6,000 voters' names were being deleted from the list, and there is no such action which is being taken against them. In fact, he has also stated that the CID of Karnataka is also conducting an investigation, and within 18 months, 18 letters have been written to the Election Commission seeking some details regarding this entire issue, that what is the domain of all these PCs which were being used to file these applications for the deletion of the voters. Not just that, but in fact the OTP trail is also...
But then what's the use? What's the point of having this, as Rahul Gandhi calls it, solid 100% proof against the CEC? He's made some big serious allegations against the poll body as well. He's been sharing certain data, but what happens with those data as far as making those allegations are concerned? When asked what happens next, would you approach the courts or a higher agency? This is how Rahul Gandhi responded.
आपने कहा कि आपके पास पुख्ता सबूत है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट सबूत है, तो क्या अगर पीसीआई अभी जवाब नहीं देती है तो कोर्ट का रुख करेंगे, ये ऑप्शन है आपके पास? देखिए, मैंने कहा कि मेरा काम एज ऑपोजिशन लीडर नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में मेरा काम ऑपोजिशन का रोल है, सरकार पे प्रेशर डालने का रोल है। मेरा काम हिंदुस्तान के लोकतंत्र को बचाने का नहीं है।
Well, Nyamika, then how do we understand? Because he and his other fellow MPs call themselves as saviors of Samvidhan. Doesn't it contradict their own claims when they move around with the copies of the Indian Constitution saying that we are trying to protect the Samvidhan, now saying that it is not our job? How is this message now being perceived?
Well, Amita, Rahul Gandhi in his press conference had stated that we have some institutions in our country, and the role of these institutions is to safeguard the democracy, is to safeguard the constitution of this country. But being the opposition leaders, his role is to participate in this democratic process. But it is because the election commission is not working properly. It is because the election commission is not, preparing, is conducting the free and fair elections. That is the only reason why, being the leader of opposition, it is his responsibility to question the government of India, or to pressurize them so that the people of this country will get to know about.
So is his responsibility just limited to those states where elections have happened till now, Nyamika? What about the rest of the country? Because he doesn't seem to be mentioning about that. As far as the savior of Samvidhan tag that he seems to flaunt, as far as what happens in those states once elections are over, does it mean that vote chori allegations would also die down?
Well, Amita, he has categorically stated that this is just the beginning. This is the second press conference which Rahul Gandhi has done today. And apart from that, he has not just mentioned
Just interrupting you, Nyamika, we're trying to get political reactions. IP Singh जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए हैं. IP Singh जी, बड़ा इंतजार था राहुल गांधी के हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब का, वो तो अभी तक फूटा नहीं. लेकिन अब वो कह रहे हैं कि मेरा काम विपक्ष के नाते सरकार के ऊपर दबाव बनाने का है, मेरा काम संविधान को बचाने का नहीं है. इसे आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
देखिए, जिस तरह से उन्होंने सतही तौर पर जो सवाल खड़े किए हैं गोदावरी मामले की जांच का, जिस तरह से उन्होंने रखा है कि कैसे मतदाताओं को सूची से हटाया जाता है और उसमें मिलीभगत लोगों की होती है. बेंगलुरु सेंट्रल लोकसभा सीट का कर्नाटक महादेवपुरा का विधानसभा का ये मामला था, और जिस तरह से 17 सितंबर 2025 को राहुल गांधी ने अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में गोदावरी का नाम लिया था कि एक महिला के नाम को फर्जी कैसे लॉगिन बनाकर 12 मतदाताओं का जो वोटर लिस्ट से नाम हटाने की कोशिश की गई थी, उसमें वो किस तरह से सफल रहे, उसे कैसे रोका जा सकता है, इस तरह की अहम जानकारियां वो लेकर आए. और कैसे
लेकिन जानकारी आईपी सिंह जी वो कह रहे हैं कि उनके पास 100% सॉलिड प्रूफ है. उसके आगे क्या? अगर आप चैलेंज करेंगे और ईसीआई को बोलेंगे कि मेरे पास सबूत है, इसकी जांच करो, ईसीआई तो बोल रहा है एफिडेविट पे साइन करो, हम जांच करने के लिए तैयार हैं. साइन करने को तैयार पर है नहीं राहुल गांधी.
एक मिनट सुन लीजिए. मन यशवंत सिन्हा जी भारत के वित्त मंत्री रहे हैं और विदेश मंत्री रहे. कल उन्होंने बहुत साफ तौर से कहा कि मुकेश अंबानी ने और बीजेपी ये चाहती है कि मोदी जी अंतिम सांस तक प्रधानमंत्री बने रहे. इस देश में अब चुनाव की जरूरत नहीं है. पुतिन की तरह घोषित कर दिया जाए कि मोदी जी अंतिम सांस तक इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने रहेंगे. चुनाव आयोग अमित शाह,
चुनाव आयोग को आप क्या जवाब देंगे? क्योंकि वो सीधे तौर पे कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी गुमराह करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जनता को.
राहुल गांधी क्यों गुमराह करेंगे? जिस राहुल गांधी ने प्रधानमंत्री के पद को ठोकर मार दिया, कहा कि मुझे ये पद नहीं चाहिए, 2009 में उनके नाम पर बहुमत आया था. राहुल गांधी को अगर प्रधानमंत्री बनना होता, मंत्री बनना होता, जो व्यक्ति सरकार चला रहा था वो उन्होंने ठोकर मार दी. तो राहुल गांधी,
लेकिन उस पोजीशन के सपने तो सभी कोई लेता है ना. आईपी सिंह जी, आप तो अपने पार्टी के नेता को भी आगे रखेंगे. पर धन्यवाद आपका फिलहाल हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. राशिद अलवी जी ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड विद अस. राशिद अलवी जी, देन व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन हियर? राहुल गांधी सेज दैट माय जॉब इज टू प्रेशराइज द गवर्नमेंट, बट माय जॉब इज नॉट टू सेव डेमोक्रेसी.
You know, Rahul Gandhi has raised so many important questions. So it is the responsibility of Election Commission to come forward to answer those questions. Actually, what is happening in our country, when opposition parties or any leader of opposition party, including Rahul Gandhi, if they raise any question from Election Commission doesn't come forward. Election Commission is always silent. It is Bharatiya Janata Party and its leadership, they criticize us. BJP has no role. If we are talking about anything, it is connected to Election Commission. If we are blaming any organization, it is Election Commission. If we are giving any proof against the Election Commission, it is Election Commission. They should come forward. to answer each and every.
So Election Commission has Mr. Rashid Ali, it has just fact-checked rather Rahul Gandhi on its X account, if you would see, because they have now said that all of these allegations that are being leveled by Rahul Gandhi himself are perceived to be false and incorrect.
You know, nobody will believe Election Commission. Please try to understand, you and me both belong to this country. It is our responsibility to protect this country, to protect democracy of this country.
That is the point, Mr. Rashid Alvi, that Rahul Gandhi is denying. He says, my job is to pressure the government not to save democracy. That is yes.
What he's saying, that it is the responsibility of Election Commission to hold free and fair election. Actually, it is a habit of Bharatiya Janata Party to misinterpret his statement.
No, if it is misinterpretation or not, sir, for the benefit of our viewers, we would like to just play again as far as what Rahul Gandhi said in that statement when a media person asked him what next, because you claim that you have 100% solid evidence now that you have put it forward. What happens next? This is how he's responded. Mr. Gowda is also connected with us, sir. I would like to request you to hear Rahul Gandhi's statement that he gave today once again, and then we'll take forward this conversation.
आपने कहा कि आपके पास पुख्ता सबूत है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट सबूत है, तो क्या अगर पीसीआई अभी जवाब नहीं देती है तो कोर्ट का रुख करेंगे, ये ऑप्शन है आपके पास?
देखिए, मैंने कहा कि मेरा काम एज ऑपोजिशन लीडर नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में मेरा काम ऑपोजिशन का रोल है, सरकार पे प्रेशर डालने का रोल है। मेरा काम हिंदुस्तान के लोकतंत्र को बचाने का नहीं है।
Mr. Gowda, Rahul Gandhi clearly says, मेरा काम देश के लोकतंत्र को बचाने का नहीं है. My job is not to save democracy.
See, Rahul Gandhi is probably by this statement, we can consider him as a regular person who lies to the media and who lies to the entire India. Now, you should read that what is the role of a leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. That is what you should read the document. And what is his rules, or what are the rules, what are the regulations, and what are his roles and responsibility, that he should know first. And then, when he is making such kind of allegations, what they answered for Malur, the Congress MLA is been declared as null and void, and the is been declared that it is invalid. They have done a vote story. Congress. The same thing was done by grandmother Indira Gandhi 1961 elections. So these kind of questions are asked to Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi says that.
So you are asking about what the court has directed as far as when it comes to what happened in Malur. Rashid Alvi, would you want to respond that? I hope you heard what Rahul Gandhi said today.
You know, it is the habit. BJP leaders, spokesperson, they come on TV and start to accuse Rahul Gandhi. They start to teach him a lesson how to behave, how should they speak inside Parliament, how should they behave like a leader of opposition. We are not asking any question from BJP. We are not raising any question against BJP. We are talking about Election Commission.
Okay. So you are saying that your questions are to the Election Commission, and why is that the BJP बचाव में पक्ष अपना रख रही है again with the Election Commission and against the Congress? Rashid Alvi ji, appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast. To you, Mr. Gowda as well. Ajay Yadav जी हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं आरजेडी की तरफ से. सर क्या कहेंगे? राहुल गांधी कह रहे हैं कि मेरा काम गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर दबाव बनाने का है, लोकतंत्र को बचाना नहीं.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी ने जिस तरह से प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, जिस तरह से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से बता रहे हैं वोट चोरी के बारे में, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. वोट चोरी तो हो रही है, इसमें कोई दो बात नहीं है. और सतर्क होने के लिए कह रहे हैं, बिल्कुल हम लोग को सतर्क होना, अलर्ट होना, स्पेशली दो स्टेट्स जहाँ पे इलेक्शंस अभी नियर फ्यूचर 1-2 महीने में है जी. So of course that presentation भी बहुत अच्छा है. He is a very good educator as well. And of course इस तरह का presentation और awareness बहुत जरूरी है हम लोगों के लिए.
जी. लेकिन आप इलेक्शन कमीशन और बीजेपी को जवाब में क्या कहेंगी मैम? क्योंकि दोनों की तरफ से ये कहा जा रहा है कि ये जो आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं ये बेबुनियाद हैं, और अगर साबित करना है इन आरोपों को तो पहले जरा साइन करिए, ओथ लीजिए, फिर ये जितने सबूत जो राहुल गांधी कह रहे कि 100% सॉलिड एविडेंस है उनकी जांच की जाएगी, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगी?
देखिए, बीजेपी और इलेक्शन कमीशन, यू कैन नॉट सेपरेट दीज टू बॉडीज। बीजेपी पॉलिटिकल बॉडी है, तो इलेक्शन कमीशन जो कि गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो बिल्कुल बीजेपी के कहने पे बीजेपी के पॉकेट में रह के काम कर रही है। एंड दिस इज वेरी सैड। एक डेमोक्रेसी में अगर ये हो रहा है तो दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी सैड। और ऑफ कोर्स जिस तरह से हम लोग ट्रांसपेरेंसी की बात कर रहे हैं कि आप हम लोग को उसका रिकॉर्डिंग दिखाइए, कैमरे में दिखाइए, तो ये सबसे तो इलेक्शन कमीशन पीछे ही हट रही है। वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी की बात कहाँ करना चाह रही है? ट्रांसपेरेंसी से बात करें, सिर्फ हम लोग से जो वो सवाल कर रही है, जो उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है उसको तो वो पूरी करे ना। एज ऑपोजिशन, वी आर इन दी ऑपोजिशन एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गोइंग टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस। वो लोग आंसर से बचने के लिए दे आर पुटिंग।
We've seen the controversy that actually began from Bihar itself, because the elections aren't very far away, and the moment when the SIR announcement that was made by the election commission itself, we are looking at this controversy blowing up. Ajay Yadav ji, आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए मैम. We'll also put out the counter that has now been put up by the election commission and the BJP in particular. Just right now, BJP MP Anurag Thakur was addressing the briefing where he has taken on Rahul Gandhi in particular, saying all of these allegations are nothing but an appeasement politics vote bank. That seems to be the poll plank that is of the opposition's main focus when it comes to the assembly elections in Bihar.
एक बात आज जो राहुल जी ने बातों में मान ली है और अपने जवाब में कहा, वो कहते कहते हाइड्रोजन बम एक तरह